Hey guys, welcome back. So you know the drill. Gonna work on a project, and after that we work on a project, we are going to work on whatever. Right. Uh, I don't understand. So it's a freelance position, but ah, okay. So it's a freelance position. It's too confusing. Never mind. Okay, let's see to the next one. Hmm. How can this be? I'm not taking that seriously. Okay. Uh, let's do JavaScript. Okay. Okay. No new jobs, so let's get it on. What we usually do. Let's continue to our project. Let's go to this one. Okay. Let's see how to apply with H. What do you mean? I have no idea what you said. How to apply to those jobs which require more experience. What I do. Well, then you have me to tell you have to tell me your experience, right? That's how simple it is. So we're gonna do some relaxing vibe coding a little bit. So we have implemented it tube stuff, but oh fuck. Okay. Okay. The tube light looks great. However, I want it to look like this. And let's go to the public folder. Let's see if we actually have one. Don't see it though. Static. Oh, in the static folder. Okay, let's put it in the static folder. Um, I want it right, and the logo is the logo.svg in the static folder. Like 9 months experience. Give me your portfolio. Type in the name of your portfolio without the HTTP www and without the .com. Just the name of your well of your portfolio website. I just want to see what you have. Okay, I'm gonna give the AI a lot of freedom. If you give me a link, I won't be able to see it because YouTube blocks it. Letting you know right now. Right. Okay. A little bit of vibe going, right? Not exactly. Okay. Let's see what's going on. I'm gonna lie, it's not bad. Okay. Let's check out the logo here. So we're gonna logo. It says the favicon, but I specifically said logo, but that's fine. It's a free AI, so it's not a big deal. Okay. Okay. So it has a little bit of an issue, I see. The starting point of the GSAP hover on GSAP, click on a link in the beginning is a little bit bugged. I'm not gonna fix it myself. Um, but as soon as I click on one of those links, it works correctly. Okay. Make sure that the starting point is home. Okay. And okay. Did you give me your resume? I don't see anything. So I'm not sure if you're still here, but okay. Okay. Not really a good job. It's not fixed yet, so okay, I'm gonna give some reference. Should look. Okay. Now, why are you vibe coding? So this is my own personal project. So I have no reasoning to make it advanced myself. And it's just gonna be a simple mobile navigation landing page. It's not gonna be crazy or anything like that. Okay, too many requests. Okay. Um, I still don't see any resume from you, not only deaf. So if you don't send it, then I have something else for you. I can understand you. Maybe you're shy, right? So I will help you out. Okay, give me a second. Um, get shareable link. Okay. So you need to watch this one, right? I'm not sure why it's so exhausted. Okay, kinda. Not exactly a fix. Not exactly. Give me another try. Oh, okay. Great. Let's that actually makes it worse. Oh, because of the exhaustion. Okay, so let's work on the second part because the navigation can take a while. Um, so I'm just gonna get a screenshot with the mock-up design. So I saw a website that was pretty good the other day. Let me see if I still have the screenshot. Let me see. Yeah, it was called postpark.app. Let me see. Postpark app. Okay, screenshot and mockup editor. Do I need to log in? Yeah. Start creating. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, there are many templates. Device mockups. Um, no background. What is this? Upload. Upload a size. Oh, you can actually import a link. Okay, upload.com. Nice try. Okay. Uh, Let me think about something else. That's not good. Um, what will be a good website to land on? Um, just gonna go to google.com. Google.com. No. Okay. Okay, there are many device mockups here, I see. Sure. Save. Export. Copy PNG. Oh, that's pretty good. Let's see how it looks. How big is it? Oh, it's pretty big. Can I make it smaller or something? PNG quality resolution is crazy. All formats. Okay. Let's see. Crazy format. Okay. This is pretty useful actually. I cannot adjust the. Okay, but it's not bad to be honest. I love it. Okay, let's edit that with photo P. Photo P. Over with computer. Let's see where we had that. Okay. Hmm. What should I do about this instance? Let me see how it looks. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, export as PNG. Okay, so we have the image. I'm gonna drop it here and we're gonna call it mobile hero. Okay. Um, let's go back to our project. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. And let's put it here. Okay. Okay. Anyways, let's see. Just anything unsuccessful. Hey bro, how are you doing? What's up? We are making a mobile landing page. We have an initial bug, but we'll see. This is our nav bar currently. Okay. Let's actually see our. Let's make it a bit smaller. How about 6? Yeah, that's perfect. But yeah, we have this bug. I might remove it entirely. All right. What is it doing? It's just replacing my thing for nothing. Okay, well, just wasted my time really. Okay, doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. Okay, I'm thinking about removing the entire um, element and only do the hover. Yeah, so we're chilling, right? Oh yeah, let me actually put the link for the people that come in here. Give me a second. I'll pin this one. So if you're a junior developer and you want to have a website really fast, like a portfolio, I show you the ways how to do it and what you need to do. There's gonna be probably a second part if I get more likes, maybe like 10 likes, but at the moment I got 2, so I'm not motivated to do that. Okay, the AI is really exhausted, I see. Okay, let's continue on other parts. Let's go to ChatGPT, and what we're gonna do is, let me see, footer, relinks, testimonials, hero. Okay. Create this hero, but with the color. Let me see what color that we have. It's already doing 5 minutes the same stuff. It's stuck in a loop. Let me me see where the blue colors. Not here. Maybe here? Nope. I thought I saved the color somewhere, but can't see quite to figure it out yet. Okay, we can do it in another way. We and this gets consumed by. Okay, good luck, ChatGPT. Great. Okay. Mm, okay. These things don't exist here. See how it looks. And built a whole section. That's because this one. This should not be. Okay. There's a little bit of a background. So let's see what it is. I understand the perspective. Yeah. Okay. So let's get the badges. Um, Let me see. I saved it somewhere where the badges are. So let me check if I have saved it correctly. Apparently not. Doesn't matter. We can look it up. Let's see. This is actually very useful, guys. Okay. Um, no code design icons. Let's see what we have here. And we need kind of the existing badges. Oh, let me see if we can find it. iOS icon library. Okay, so it's not here. Let's go here. So these are for designers. So let's go to no code websites, that's apps. Okay, let's go to coding. Backend, front end. Okay, let's see if we can find something here. company logos. Okay, let's see what we have. Um, Apple. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is how it works. But it's not what I'm looking for. Okay, buttons. UI verse. Did we already went here? I'm not sure if this was the same one. It was. Okay. It's listing it again. That's fine. Okay, cannot particularly find it, so we need to find it ourselves. Let's see if I actually can. Let's actually search. We're gonna do mobile. Okay. App icons. No. Okay. Old ones. Apple. Okay, I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna type Apple badge. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm looking at threads for this. Okay. Oh, I typed it wrong. Okay. Apple badge. Let's see if we can get some. Okay, this is a literal badge. It's not what I was looking for. Okay. Apple mobile icon. Okay. Okay. I think it's time to grab it from another website, maybe. Let's look online. Um, Let me see. Apple mobile button. And let's also look on threads for this. So doesn't particularly understand me. The threads one for website. Let me see. People really design this on their own. That is a huge waste of time. Um, okay. App Store button. Stock Adobe. Okay, on Figma is not particularly what I'm looking for. Marketing sources and entity guidelines. Okay, here it is. Download artwork. I just want to have this. Scalable vector. Are you kidding me? How about this one? You gonna grab it? Okay. Figure. Let me get to my applications. I'll show you guys. Great, got it. Save as scalable vector graphics file. So just say SVG, bro. Okay. Let's go to where's my okay resume projects. So let's get mobile app static app store. Okay. Let's do the same for the Play Store. To be honest. Okay. Play Store. Okay. Brand name marketing. Google Play badges. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna do the same way because it annoys me. Nope. Nope. Get it on. Okay, so WebP. Okay, I'm just gonna close it once. Download batch. Digital. What what the hell is this, bro? Okay. English. English. Get it on Google Play. Yeah. Users requirements, whatever. Okay. Finally. This one should not be here. Give me a second. Mobile app, we're gonna go to static and Android Hero. Okay. Oh, what is this? Okay. Mobile Hero, App Store, and Google or Play Store. Okay. Great. It failed again. It's incredible how bad it is. Okay. Never mind. Um, Here is like it says Apple Store badge. No, it says App Store. I was typing. Why is it not typing? Store. Store. And here it's Play Store and it's a PNG. Let's see it works. Okay, great. Okay, let's remove the other one. So give me a second. Let's remove this one. And let's go to hero and we're gonna say margin top of 6 rem. Okay. Okay. Put the mobile below it. Okay. Mobile hero in as well, but below the buttons. Okay. Let me see. Mobile hero. Okay. Good luck. Okay. We're gonna work on the next part. Let's see, did it work? Well, it can be a bit smaller, right? Way smaller. H auto, MX auto. Okay, let's work on that. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Maybe it can be even smaller. Something like this. Okay, see there's a little bit of a shadow, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter right now. Okay. Okay. Um, let's close all these ones. Okay, let's work on the next section. Let's see what this section is all about. Okay, guys, come on now. Resume projects. Okay, let's go to mood board. Let's see what we have. Okay, I want to have this how it works section. ChatGPT is gonna create that. I'm not gonna do that. So create is how it works. Oh wait, I actually already have a lot of context here. Um, create this how it works dot 12 component, but um, yeah, let's just do that. It doesn't matter how it looks right now exactly. So later on we can play around with more stuff, right? So okay, there's some stuff here. Great. Now let's create a new component. How it works as well. Okay. Let's go to the page. How it works. Okay, let's see how it looks. Nothing yet, because I didn't put anything inside. It's pretty slow, the Svelte kit, not gonna lie. Okay, looks consistent. Um, let's work on the images in the how it works, and they're gonna all be the same images. 1, 2, 3. And this is gonna be just mobile hero. See how it looks. Maybe we should get like health as device, something like this. Yeah, let's copy this PNG. Let's go to photo P. Open from computer. Oh no, just paste. Can I just paste? Oh, that's very good. I love it. Okay. I see there's a little bit of thing here. Well, it doesn't matter for now. Just export as PNG. Okay, what was the health of that? Just gonna make it 864. Okay. Great. Now we have this image here. Okay. Go to mobile app. Gonna go to static, and we're gonna call this image how it works mobile. Okay. 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 There's a padding at the end. It says PXPY20, and where the image is. Let me see where the image is. Grid calls. MX is which full object contain. Okay, so it should be here somewhere. Padding 6, it says. Okay, I understand the perspective. I would say padding X6 and padding top 6. Yeah, okay. So we have that section. Great. Let's go to the next one. It's not gonna be very pretty at the moment, but that doesn't matter. Later on we can make it more pretty. Let's go to the mood board. The next section. Okay. It's gonna create this one. So let's go to ChatGPT. Create this feature section for the purple icons. Make them blue instead. Name this one feature the 12th. Great. Next. So you already have these ones, this one, right? So why am I creating this template? Well, later on we're gonna create mobile apps, and we just wanted to have something, right? We don't want to have it necessarily very pretty. That doesn't matter right now. Later we can always make things pretty. Feature, feature swell. Okay. And then we have to import it. So let's go to here, and let's go to feature. I don't see it. Feature. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, I hate when it does that. So let's go to feature. It has certain icon, which is totally fine. Let's not create a background here. Or we should create like an instant background. Right? Like something like this color. Right? Maybe that is actually useful. Let's actually do that. Great skill. Thank you so much, bro. You have to be, this is just a mobile template. I'm gonna use it later on to make a lot of mobile apps maybe in the future. And I'm just gonna put it on my resume. It's like just gonna be some fight coding stuff. So yeah. Yeah, let's create a background for this color. Let me see how it works. Has a certain blue color from white via blue 50 to blue 100. Okay, but this is a gradient. Doesn't really give me a color. Okay, let's go to the hero. And there's another blue color. Let's see. PG blue 100. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's see. And then we can do something about the text, right? We can say, for example, there was a certain blue color in the hero section with the text blue 800, and let's then add it to the feature as well. And hopefully every text is 800, which is not because I didn't save it. No, because it doesn't work and it's overridden. Okay. Okay. Oh, 8,000. Don't think so. Yeah. Is it the same blue color? Yeah, it is. Okay. Now let's replace the button for something else, which is going to be these two, right? Give me a second. Um, Future. Instead of these ones, we're gonna create this, but we also need these ones. The script in the future section. Okay. We have a couple of other issues because I have two scripts. Does it solve the issue? Page swelled is done. Okay, great. We have two buttons now. Right? So we have a home section and how to use section, feature section. Okay, great. I'm building a mobile template for later on. Um, Sorry, guys, I'm a bit tired. I worked my ass off today. I'm gonna creating a mobile template for mobile apps later on. So if you don't know, if you never created an mobile app before, it requires a website that at least have two things, which is privacy policy, and it also requires a terms and conditions. For example, if you're gonna go to the App Store, they will require this. We're making this now, also for the resume, because using SvelteKit, which is different than React. It's like Next.js, but for Svelte. So yeah, that's what we're using. And we're trying to do it as quickly as possible with AI, so we don't want to waste too much time. Let me see, we didn't create like this carousel stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna ask them create this social proof dot svelte. Okay, and I'm gonna upgrade. Okay, I have another ChatGPT, no worries. Okay, let's go here. Create this in Svelte, naming it social proof dot svelte. It's an infinite carousel. Um, Assume we are in a svelte kit TypeScript tailwind environment. and social proof svelte is a component. Okay, great. So if you don't know what I typed, basically what I did is I said, hey, make a component for this svelte environment using TypeScript and using Tailwind, because we're using Tailwind here. Okay, so this ChatGPT can be closed. We're gonna have this one. Okay, it didn't use Tailwind here, but that's fine. Did I say Tailwind? Yes, I did. But that's fine. It's not a big issue. Okay, we're gonna call it social proof as well. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say social proof. I'm gonna close that one. Self close. I'm gonna tape, and the image is not gonna work. That doesn't matter. I just wanna see if it works. Okay, I don't see it anywhere yet. Okay. That's a problem. Let's see. Social proof. It is here. Oh, because these images are not working, that's why. Let's create some fake company logos. Okay. Dummy logos. Logo maker, heart. Okay, this is not exactly what I meant. UI logos. What is this? Great. This is what I need. Okay, let's just save a couple. One, two, three. Oh, let's click to copy. Okay, no worries, no worries. Was this actually? Okay, pretty good. Oh, they're actually black in black ones. Great. Should we do color? No. Here's what I'm gonna do. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, we have six of them. And we're gonna be very sneaky here. We're gonna say to ChatGPT, let me see where it is. And we have like six. So let's go. One. Is it the 799? Okay. That's 799. Okay. 760. 895. 500. And we're gonna tell ChatGPT, we're gonna say, these are the SVGs. Sorry. Okay. Nice try. Oh. Consume them in social proof as well. Okay. I should have given more context. This is my mistake. I'm not building a mobile app right now. It's for the future. Instead of each individual. I'm not sure if I spelled it right. Um, Oh yeah, I should have said inline, to be honest. Guys, creating a switch statement, that's pretty smart. Because if you have more than 2 cases or 3 cases, you would use a switch statement. I like that idea. Okay, let's try that. So instead of this one, let's do this one. Let's see if we get something to the page. Hopefully, right? Okay, nothing yet. Um, mm, let's actually go to hero. Let's put it more on top. The reason why is because I can use it in mm, let's actually repeat it. Okay, it's working. That's not fine. The reason why is because we already have projects with TypeScript and React and Next.js, but we don't have a Svelte kit. So I'm broadening my horizons here. Okay. Okay, there's a little bit of an issue here. Okay. Mm, I'm happy that it's working though. So let's go to social proof and let's think about how we're gonna fix that issue. Okay, so the issue is that we should double these a couple of times. I think that is the issue. Okay, so Shift Alt down, not this one, more like this one. Shift Alt down. Let's see if that fixes the issue. Okay, what is it? What's the problem? Oh, the comma. Okay. Okay. So that works. We should actually make them a little bit bigger, so let's do that. So here we have certain, actually, okay. Mm, we can do this here. So weights W5, we're gonna weights W8, and we're gonna place all of them, and we're gonna do the same for the H1. Let's see how it looks. A little bit bigger. Awesome, right? Okay. So that is the infinite carousel. Let's see what we need to do. We need to do something like this. Yeah, let's create a CTA. Um, yeah, we can use ChatGPT for that. So I'm gonna say create this CTA. So we have an image called. Let me see how it's called. It's called how it works. Wait, how it works mobile.png. In Svelte, assume we are in a Svelte Git TypeScript. Svelte Git TypeScript to environment and cta.svelte would be the name of the component. Okay. All the best. And then let's prepare the footer. We don't have anything linked yet, right? So that's not the most important. Oh, we forgot about this. Should I work on this now? No, let's work on the footer and call it a day. Yeah, okay, great. We have that here, so let's go to the components. Let's say cta.svelte, space it, great, and let's go to base.svelte, and let's go to CTA maybe, okay, CTA, okay, awesome, and creates an issue. What is the issue? Uh, I don't see any issues. Okay, it's the import of the image. Let's not do that this way, and let's just import it this way, which is going to be how it works mobile.png. I think it should work this way, not sure. Can tell. It has its own um, okay, it can be way smaller, right? So let's work on that. Width 7 pixels. Okay, it's gonna be way bigger. Okay, and the second thing is I don't like the background on the shadow on the image. I'm not sure why there's a shadow there, and also not sure why there's a class there. Okay, let's see how our thing looks. Hmm, I don't see the CTA here. Okay, we have something to work on. Let me see. What can we do about it? I think the padding is a little bit too much, right? So let's be honest here. Let's see what the padding is about. Padding can be 6. Yeah. I actually think padding can be 0. We're gonna do medium devices. We're gonna say padding X to be 6. Right, so we have something like this. And this is the section actually, which should I name div. And we're gonna create a section on top. Okay. Okay, and this section is gonna have a class. Not this class, this one. And what we are going to do is with full flex items center justify center see if that works. Okay, let's do a padding, top and bottom of 12. Okay, something like this. I think the padding could be actually 18 or something. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's make actually it bigger because we said the width is gonna be 1000. I think 1200 is fine. Maybe not. Let's keep it 100 then. Okay. Okay. So we have this one. Okay, that's fine by me. Okay, the next thing that we are going to work on is the footer. So ChatGPT is my best friend here. This is like a little bit of old school code vibing. Right? You just go to ChatGPT and just ask for help. Okay, let me go to the footer. Let's go here. Create this footer and footer dot footer dot svelte. Assume the logo is logo svg. Assume the buttons are app store dot svg and play store dot png. Okay, great. So let's look at the website a little bit. It's not responsive yet. Let's make it responsive soon. Or is it? Oh, it's not bad actually. It's not too bad. Should actually make the mobile navigation bigger. I hate this no mobile nav actually. I just think I'm gonna get rid of it entirely. Yeah. But it's actually responsive. I'm pretty surprised that it is. I did not ask for it, so that's good on ChatGPT side. Okay, great. Let's go to components. We say footer.svelte. Gonna add it here, and it's not a valid attribute. Okay, and we're gonna add this footer here. Now later we're gonna create some testimonials, right? Okay, did not import correctly. Oh, here. Import. Let's see. Did exactly what I wanted it to do. One thing that I noticed is that there's an border gray. We want to delete that, and we want to delete the border entirely. And also on the top, we want to delete the borders entirely. So, okay. Let's see if it's responsive. Wow, it's responsive even. Okay, so on mobile, so I want to say, let me see, it made a grid. So it's item start, that's fine. But I want to have this on medium devices. So I want to say on normal, I want to have items center. Let's see. Doesn't respond. Let's see why that is. Page 1, font medium, block off black. Okay, it's not here. So it's definitely something here. Space, call span. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Works fine here. Let's refresh. Okay, that still doesn't work. It doesn't look too bad, to be honest. For now, very happy with this result. Not gonna lie. Um, so what was the item start then? Because you have the item start here. Took some grid. Um, place content center. Hmm. How does it not respond? I'm not sure. It's because of the grid. I noticed, but um, it should. Hmm. Only extra space at the top. What do you mean? Flex item center. Let me check the docs here. So let's go here. Somewhere like here. A little bit above. Okay, so this is already center. Okay, so it seems that we have to do it individually. So here starts the auto grid, and yeah, it should respond. I'm not sure why it's not responding. Okay, so let's put it a little bit here. Okay, something like this. And we're gonna add an element, and we are going to say align items and center. Okay, it doesn't respond. But what if I do something else? Ah, maybe I already know. Um, Maybe because of this. Nice try. Oh, okay. Let me go to the tailwind. Let me go to the tailwind. Let's see what the actual part is. Oh no, that's because of the extra space I'm not gonna fix. I will tell you why. So the thing that we actually need to fix is the mobile nav, because if you look at the mobile nav here, it's fine, but on the mobile it's not fine. So this is what you said, but I don't want to fix that. I want to have it create other kind of mobile navigation, but we're not gonna do it now. It's not important. um, let's go to tailwind grid. Can I just do grid? Okay. Okay, here. Okay, this is not it. This is not it. So we can say self-center, but it's not this one. Justify items? I think it's this one. Justify items center safe. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, let's see what we have here. Some of them have padding. Okay, well, if that is the case, then that's the case for this AI. Make sure on the mobile, let's see, the footer is centered. Why am I doing that? Because else I need to add the paddings, and this is just a flex website. It's not like an advanced website. So if you are advanced in advanced websites, like on some days we are working on this website, right? There's a lot of animations, a lot of things going on at the same time. So yeah, definitely look out for that. Maybe tomorrow we will work on that. So, okay. Let's see if it fixed it. Not bad. It did. But it forgot the this part, right? So let me see. You forgot this part. Okay. I understand them. I understand why it's doing that. Okay. Okay, that's fixed. Now the buttons have the same issue. Um, while we're in. Okay, great. Let me close this one. Okay, looks good, right? Happy with that. Great. Now we can add in a lot of stuff, right? Let's be honest here. But we got a simple website right now. And yeah, next time we're gonna fix the nav, work on that stuff. But it looks good. For now, I'm very happy with the result. Not gonna lie. Let's fix one more thing here, which is the CTA. We have to go to the image, which is this one. Okay, no, we don't have to work on the image. We have to work on the P6. So P6 is fine, but we have to say P bottom 0. So we have this one here, right? Okay. I'm very happy with the result right now. Um, and yeah, we created it pretty fast. Yeah, there's no real problem right now. Okay. I href attributes we gonna fix, not now. Um, so instead of saying, okay, now while we're at the footer, let's fix one more thing. So we say Minto, mobile app, all that reserved. And we're not gonna say this one. And instead, we're gonna make this one bigger. We're gonna say 8. Maybe even bigger. Let's do 12. Okay. Let's quit the mobile view. Yeah, okay, so this is fine, but I want it on medium devices. I don't want this, so I'm gonna say medium. This is gonna be like 6, and here the same. Medium is gonna be like 6, maybe 8 will be fine. Let's see. And it says item center. I don't want that. I want to say item start. Uh, did it save? Okay, it's not this one. Sorry, this one. Just try start. Start. And a medium. Okay, text center and a medium devices. I want to do text start. I think something like this. Let's see how our original image looks like. Okay, we should put the things also inside this one. Um, Let me see. Div. Okay, it should have its own div actually. So let's see if we can solve it with this one. Don't think so. Oh, I actually like that. Yeah, I'm totally fine with that. But that will fix the. Yeah, that will fuck up the thing. Okay, so let's go to the mobile. Uh, okay, so we have an issue here where we said I just said it justify start, but that only counts for medium devices. So we're gonna say justify center. Just the normal ones. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay. Very satisfied with the result right now. Let's refresh it one more. We have a couple of issues what we're gonna fix later. Right? These issues, right? So, but yeah, this one works, right? How to use, load it, CTA. We're gonna add a testimonial section next time. I'm not sure when the next time is gonna be. The next time is probably gonna be on the other project, but so far so good. Yeah, amazing. Very happy with the result. Alright, guys, I need to do some couple small things in the background. So I'm gonna end the stream and I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make it 607 years. Hit the notification bell and see you until the next one.